So I studied over 100 shops on Etsy, and what I have found top selling shops are doing is recreating designs that has sold well in the past. And if you look on this image here, we can see this type of design has sold extremely well during Valentine's Day. But here's the crazy part. This design has also done well for Resurrection Sunday. We can see the same design style here. And the cool thing about this is that once you start realizing what these top shops are doing, it's going to be very easy for you to build out these products into new areas, just like this same design has been represented here in this baseball niche. And I'm going to share with you how to do that, all coming up next. All right, so we can clearly see that one of the things we know top shops are doing is looking at what has worked in the past and applying the same design style over into new areas. And one of the quickest ways I'm able to identify this is heading over to major seasons. Like in Valentine's Day, we can see this product has sold extremely well during the Valentine's Day season. But if we head over to Easter, we can see this same design style has clearly done well for the season as well. Both are following the same type of design layout. Again, the 3-layer type of bow structure in the middle and text at the bottom. And this is exactly what we see that is working here. And once you were able to identify the style that has worked well for these other seasons, it's very easy to start implementing this into what I call these other niches, or really these micro niches compared to major seasons, right? These are micro niches that can do it extremely well. And building these things out for multiple products is very easy, and I want to share with you how to do it now. And the place that we can actually sell these as print-on-demand products is with Printify. Printify is my #1 place to sell all of my print-on-demand products, and the reason for that is they have a ton of products for you to choose to create. And again, just not your t-shirts and sweatshirts, which is again a very popular product that we'll talk about today, but they have all things like jewelry or wall decor, and really tons of products like candles and glassware and hats and bags. There's so many products for you to take what you're learning in today's video and apply it into other spaces. And Printify easily connects over well with Etsy, so that Printify knows the actual product, the design, any personalization, where to ship your product, so that the only thing you got to focus on is designing well and selling well on Etsy. So if you do want to get access to Printify, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. Again, you can get started absolutely for free here, but I'll also leave a discount code to utilize their Printify premium version. 30 days absolutely for free with my special code. Again, this helps you get a major discount on all of their products. Again, anything you can do to keep more profit in your pocket in the long, to me, I think it's a no-brainer. Just like this example here, this sweatshirt originally cost $21.58, but through Printify Premium, you are able to get it much, much cheaper. And again, that gives you more room to run ads or more room to even be more competitive in your Etsy shop. So again, I'll make sure to leave all the details along with that code down below to help you get started utilizing Printify. So we're going to jump into my creative prompt tool. This is where we're going to spend time designing our products for our print-on-demand item here. And this makes it really easy for you to find great products to create and remix them with our AI tool. All right, so from here, we're going to jump into the Remix Studio. And then I want to go to the t-shirt pre-prompt, which is going to be perfect when we are trying to create our design. This is going to make it very easy for us to get a really great design within a few short words. We're going to select the background to be white. We're going to add in a little prompt here so that the AI know what type of design that we're going to create. And if you don't know what is selling well right now, look at all these best-selling products here for the baseball season. So we definitely want to create something in this space so that we can start getting our items prepared. So with that being said, we'll head back over into our Remix Studio. I'm going to put in this prompt here where I say change the color, themes, and elements to fit themes and add in the proper text. Now, the reason why I have this very basic prompt here is because we're going to use a reference image so that the AI knows what to change and how to stick to the design style. You'll see how easy it is to create this. So with that being said, I want to grab a reference image over from Etsy, a product that has done extremely well. And with our design in place, I want to head over to this advanced AI scaling. This is going to allow us to scale out multiple different sports or multiple different variations of our products to really make it easy for us to sell multiples in a few short moments. So we're going to scale up our variation to be 4, and then we're going to give more direction to the advanced prompt so it knows what type of things to create. So with our advanced scaling, it was able to scale out individual prompts for all of our designs. And again, we're not going to copy this exact image here, but we do want the AI to know the overall style. We definitely want to follow that same theme here with this yarn, and we definitely want this to be for different variations for different sports. Notice here how it definitely changed its entire design to be truly one of a kind, but it was able to understand what is the overall style, which is that famous yarn style to do well on Etsy, and it was able to change this up to fit the niche that we're focusing on today. And with our case, this came out to be a great baseball theme. We were able to create multiple variations of different sports, all with the advanced prompt that we can use for our print-on-demand product. And here's the example of the basketball design. I think this came out extremely well. Here's another one also for soccer that we were able to make. This is a easy winner in my opinion, and also cheer. This is fantastic. We can save all these designs, upscale them, get the background removed, and get them ready to sell on Etsy with Printify, or we can go in here and make some more variations to fit more in line with our style. And if we do want to follow with this style that has, the words out that says love, and this is obviously geared towards Valentine's Day. If we do want to follow this same exact layout, but make it different for all of the sports, then the only thing we need to do is give the AI a little bit more direction so it knows what to follow. And keeping the advanced prompt the same to fit all of the different sports. The only thing we added in here was the additional text at the bottom where we said, make the text say love and replace the O with the niche element, just like how we see here. And when I hit generate, look at the results. I mean, this came out well. This is what I mean by this is definitely changing the game for Etsy and print on demand. As you can see, definitely following that whole design layout, but it's adding something new. It's bringing something of value that's different in this space here. Definitely following the baseball theme here. And as you can see, it definitely followed our prompt where we said change the O to fit the overall niche. Here is another example for basketball. I mean, this came out fantastic. I mean, look at how it changed the O to fit the overall niche element, which is the basketball. Even added in some additional words here where it says go team, and look at the text inside of the entire design with the letters. I mean, that is outstanding. Here's another example of soccer. As you can see here, it definitely changed up all those elements, definitely added in the soccer ball with the soccer nets, and this came out well following that same design thing we have seen to work out extremely well. And even for the one that we said make for cheer, I mean, this is easily something you can do to sell for your print-on-demand products, and you can sell these as multiple t-shirts. You can sell this as group t-shirts. I mean, you can add in personalization to this to make it stand out even more for a team, but you can see how easy this is to create high quality products utilizing this advanced tool for your print-on-demand business, and I think that came out well. All right, so now that we have our design with the background removed and we upscaled our design here, as you can see, we're going to jump back over into Printify and we're going to head over to catalog here. We're going to get this ready to sell on a t-shirt, which I think is going to be great as we plug this into the baseball niche here. As you can see, a lot of t-shirts are being sold. So from here, we'll jump back over into Printify. We'll head over to women's t-shirt here. And then I want to go down to the Bella Plus Canvas t-shirt, as I have seen that to work extremely well here, the 3001 series. We'll go ahead and start our design here. And now we're going to upload our design into Printify. Now we're going to drag and drop our design and right into our print area. And as you can see, that came out perfect, and no need to add in anything in regards to size, no need to adjust anything. As soon as we upload this, because we followed that same print area and upscaled our image, everything is perfect here, which is exactly what you want to do as well. We can see the design fit perfectly in our space here. And with the DPI resolution, everything is up to standard in regards to Printify. So everything is good here for us to start creating and selling on our Etsy shop. And as you can see, this design came out extremely well. I mean, definitely one that can compete and sell well alongside of all of the top selling products on Etsy. And that is just how easy it is to find a design, remix it, change it up, and definitely be a top selling product you can sell within inside of Etsy. So if you do want to get access to Printify and all the things I talked about in today's video, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below so you can access everything and start creating and selling these print on demand products in your own Etsy business. And check out this next video here where I share with you another easy way to scale your business. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.